please come here. Please come. Ashen. Assalamualaikum, ma'am. Welcome to my shop. How can I help you?
I need some apples.
I have Kashmiri apples and Chinese apples. Ma'am, which one should I give you?
What is the price of apples?
Kashmiri apples are 600 per kg and Chinese apples are 300 per kg. Ma'am, which one will I give you?
Okay, give me 1 kg of Chinese apples. Are they fresh?
Ma'am, this will be good. You can take them without any doubt.
Okay, then give it.
Okay, I will give you. Here it is.
Thanks.
Shall I give you any other food, ma'am?
Yes, what food do you have of our country?
I have guava, coconut, and mango. Which one do you need?
Will these mangoes be sweet?
Yes, ma'am. This will be 100% sweet. That's a Sujawari mangoes from Baliarangi. I'm honest, man. You can trust me. I have been doing business for the past 10 years.
Okay, how much is it?
It's only 50 taka, ma'am.
Can you reduce, please?
No, ma'am. It's fixed price.
Okay, I will take 1 kg.
Okay, I will give you. Here it is.
Thanks. What is the total cost?
Your total cost is 350 taka only.
Here is it.
Thank you. Thank you for shopping at my shop. Ma'am, please come again. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.